Hello all, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today I just want to present a new blasting course, and this is going to be a blasting course like Python, full stack, machine learning with AI, 45 days free. Okay. So nowadays actually AI is going to be integrating with the multiple IT domains, not only full stack, which is going to be integrating with the Excel sheets, which is going to be integrating with the all kind of domains like cybersecurity, blockchain, and cloud data engineering. Everywhere AI is going to be integrating, even SAP applications, and different kind of AWS, Azure, Azure ML, and ML Ops. Like that, AI is going to be integrating, or machine learning is going to be integrating the all kind of IT domains. And full stack Python, which is going to be covering with the front end, back end, Django Flask. And when you create some end-to-end application, how we can able to deploy this application with the machine learning algorithms. Okay, something like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. End of the day, that is going to be integrating with AI. You are creating a full stack application, right? With front end and back end. That we can integrate with the ML AI. That is a higher demanding course. And this particular content, whatever Mohan's Technologies is providing to you, extremely extraordinary course. Okay, but that we are going to be giving free of cost. We are not going to be charging a single rupee for this particular sessions. And these sessions are going to be starting from October 20th, Diwali day, morning 11 o'clock. So I will give you the description of the group link, WhatsApp group link in the chat box, comment box, no problem. Please try to explore what is the content which Mohan is going to be covering with you. These 45 days. Day wise, I will explore with you. So the day one, introduction to web technologies, HTML structures, tags, all these things. There are multiple HTML components like forms, tables, and different kind of paragraphs, headings. How you prepare your web page, how you design your web page is the most important thing that we are going to be discussing in the day one. And day two, forms and tables, list, link, semantic elements. Day three, we are going to be working with CSS fundamentals like style sheets, how your page look beauty with the selectors, colors, fonts, borders, and all. Day four, box model, flexbox, grid responsive web design. These are all the day four advanced CSS. Day five, we are entering into the JavaScript functioning part of the web page. On top of the front end technologies, JavaScript is the major role actually playing, guys. There we are going to be discussing about the different kind of topics like variables, functions, loops, arrays, kind of things. And day six, DOM manipulation, event handling, form validations, all these things. Day seven, advanced JS like ES6, arrow functions, promises, async await. Day eight, fetching API, JSON, local storage, event handling. Day nine, React JS come into the picture. Nowadays, React.js is going to be having highly demanding in the part of the modern applications. Comparing to the Angular and Vue.js, React playing a major important role. So the day 9, we are going to be working with the React, props, state, hooks and all. And day 10, React project, dynamic to-do weather app and all. And come to the day 11, Python, entering into the backend part. Front end is over till the day 10. Day 11 onwards, we are entering into the backend. Python, syntaxes, list, tuples, docs, dictionaries, loops, and all we are discussing. And day 12, loops concepts, file handling, how to read the file, how to write the file, how to delete the file kind of concepts, and exception handling. Very, very important concept in the programming. And day 13, Flask. What is the Flask actually? Flask is the server side Python. It's a bridge between your database and Python. So that Flask routes, templates, and Jinja 2 we are going to be working on. And day 14 we are working on Flask forms, sessions, API creations. API is very, very important for this request and response procedures. And day 5, okay, I'm not leaving with the Flask only. So Django also we are going to be covering. These two frameworks are internally backend part, Python backend part. These two frameworks are actually famous. How the people are actually doing. People are giving only Flask or only Django. But Mohanshi is going to be giving two backend systems. One is the Flask, one is the Django. Django introduction, MVT architecture, model view template architecture, app setup, and come to the point, one more thing. Day 16, models, views, templates, static files. Day 17, authentication, middleware, admin customization, how you can do. Day 18, CRUD operations, paginations, permissions and all. Day 14, Django REST framework, serializers, APIs and all. Day 20, we do a mini project like Blogger, Notes API integration. Day 21 onwards, introduction to the database, SQL or NoSQL. 22, MySQL setup, basic queries and joins. 23, Django ORM, relationships and filtering. 24, data migrations, advanced ORM. 25, MongoDB basics, CRUD collections and JSON. See, SQL is relational database and MongoDB is non-relational database or NoSQL database. We cover both databases also, SQL and non-SQL. 26, PyMongo introduction and PyMongo interaction with the Flask and Django. Day 27, Git, GitHub branching, commits, collaboration. Git is very, very important. When you want to commit your project, Gits are very, very important. Day 28, we will work on Docker containers, image app packing and all. 29, cloud deployment, either AWS or Render or Vercel, any one of the cloud, we will deploy the project. And day 30, integration of the project, full stack web development. 31 onwards, a very important thing. Day 30, okay, till day 30, we are covering like front end and back end, and we can able to develop the end-to-end full stack application. That is fine. But for this full stack application, how the machine learning is going to be interacting with, how the artificial intelligence is going to be interacting with. 31, introduction to the ML workflow dataset handling. 32, there are some concepts we need to understand the machine learning like NumPy, Pandas, data manipulation. 33, data cleaning, encoding, feature scaling. 34, visualization, Matplotlib and Seaborn. Day 5, supervised learning, regression model and classification models. Regression and classification models, we are trying to working on the particular project, how the project is going to be working on. And day 34, decision trees, random forest, KNN algorithms. 37, unsupervised learning, clustering, PCA. 38, ML model deployment with Flask and Django APIs. 39, introduction to the AI, DL, neural networks. Day 40, TensorFlow, Keras, building ANN models. Day 41, natural language processing like NLP basics. Day 42, AI API integration, chatbot or image recognition. Day 43, full stack plus AI integration project. Full stack plus AI integration project. As I promised, as Mohansh promised you, we are going to be delivering a Python full stack with artificial intelligence machine learning, right? So that is the day 43. Day 44, a final project plan. Front end plus back end plus AI integration, the testing procedures. Day 45, important, hosting the project and resume preparation and GitHub portfolio, how you can prepare and how you can attend mock-up interviews and interview questions. All these things which are going to be covered with you. Okay. Already we started 2 free batches like Python and HTML, CSS, JavaScript in the morning, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. If anybody not registered, please comment in the box or call the Mohansh Technologies and they will give you the links. You can join for the morning sessions. Anyway, this is the bomb blast session and exclusively we are going to be starting on Diwali day. So that is the big bomb we are going to be playing on education mafia. People are actually charging like 50,000, 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs also people are actually paying for this course. And this kind of full stack with AI, people are charging minimum 2 lakhs, minimum 2 lakhs and 1 year. Okay, but what Mohan's agenda is, we need to go, we have to give exclusive subjects free of cost for the students. We want to create our own brand throughout the world. Mohan's target is a branding process. Mohan's is a different kind of brand. Comparing to the other institutions and comparing to the other organizations, we are actually different. We are giving all the Python and different kind of Groovy and Golang, JavaScript, multiple programming languages free of cost in the YouTube and live classes. But these particular bomb blasting courses in 2025, in the period of Diwali, we are going to be providing to you. And in Mohansh Technology, our strategy is different, guys. Learn by working, workspace atmosphere by learning, and master skills with real-time project worker concepts. Practice till you become master, real-time coding challenges, 100% job placement assistance, interview preparation with coding challenges, dedicated placement support till you land your dream job. That is the Mohansh policy. So I just want to show this one. And let me tell you, thank you for attending this particular exploration of the content. But I want to tell you one more thing, guys. How the job market is available for this uh, Python full stack with AI. Let me show. Let me show. Let me open Naukri.com here. Let me open Naukri.com here. So you go to the jobs option here and Python full stack. Python. First of all, just go for the Python, then go for full stack, then go for Flask, then go for Django. One by one, please add these keywords. These all the keywords we are going to be covering in this particular 45-day session. And machine learning and AI, artificial intelligence, right? So artificial intelligence. Okay, search by these keywords. Okay, I'm copying these keywords for the next block. Okay, click on the search button. I'm not selecting any experience. I'm not selecting anything. You will be finding, oh my God, 97,000 jobs, nearby 1 lakh. 1 lakh openings. This is mind blowing. Why people are actually telling job openings are not there, job openings are not there. When you go with a particular higher end technologies, jobs are available, sir. And we are going to be teaching you from scratch level to master level, basic level to master level, LKG to PG level. No worries. And no need to pay money. Don't waste your time. Just sit 45 days, learn properly, basic to end. Then you become master. Okay, let me choose 0 to 3 years. Just 0 to 3 years. Even 0 to 3 years also 42,137. Oh my God, bigger number. Still, the people are actually recruiting the people. Okay, so only full stack is already outdated. Only learning full stack, only seeing the boards, different boards in the market, that is already outdated. Nowadays, company strategy is if you know full stack, if you know with AI, then only they are actually filtering the resumes. Only full stack is not enough. In previous days, only HTML, CSS, JavaScript, also JavaScript. Later on, React needed. Later on, full stack needed. But now this trend will go for next 20 to 30 years. This trend will go for next 20 to 30 years. Definitely, you people are going to be getting the high pay scale jobs. High pay scale, I'm talking about. Good pay scale you will get. Okay, no need to pay money and no need to fall in the education mafia. That is a Mohan's strategy basically. And if anybody want to inquire, please comment the video or go for the mohanstechnologies.com. I will show mohanstechnologies.com. This is the website, official website, where you can see a lot of higher end emerging technologies only. In mohanstechnologies.com, you will be find courses here. See, all these courses are higher end demanded courses, not like a scrap. This is not scrap. This is all emerging technologies which are going to be having the good job market actually. Like blockchain, we will be having, and MuleSoft will be having, ethical hacking, we will be having blockchain. In blockchain, W3JS is there. In blockchain, Python is there. Quantum computing is also going to be launching very soon. And SOC Analyst. And we will be having cybersecurity, multiple modules like AAM modules, PingFederate, Ping Access, Ping Devanshi, and Ping One. And we have the different course like AI, data science, prompt engineering, Golang. We are having Golang and Groovy programming languages also. All programming languages we will upload free of cost in the YouTube channel. So I will show the YouTube channel. Okay, let me search for the YouTube. YouTube, open YouTube and search for Mohan's Technologies. So our channel will be like this. View your channel. This is my channel only. Okay, come to the point. Here you will be finding the playlists When you go to the playlists, a lot of playlists are going to be available. Marn playlist is there. Free UI HTML class. See, 7 classes already uploaded. Can you see Python? Again, 7 classes got already uploaded. Go language already 5 videos uploaded. Groovy 19 videos uploaded. UI 10 videos uploaded. Web3 few videos uploaded, and Python 29 videos uploaded. Can you see PingFederate 48 videos already uploaded. MuleSoft 133 videos already uploaded, and Generative AI 21 videos already uploaded. Just watch this playlist. You can understand how these technologies are, how this blasting courses are. Really, guys, listen to me. This particular full stack course is not normal full stack. This full stack is higher end full stack, which is having only job market. Full stack Python with ML AI, machine learning AI. Nobody is going to be teaching in the onlines. Even nobody is going to be teaching in the institutions. If somebody is going to be teaching, they are charging like a 3 lakh and 2.5 lakh. Scalar, Next Wave, even Next Wave also not teaching this kind of technical skills. See, branded ones. Even you go for the branded ones like Edureka, IntelliPad, Simply Learn, and EDX, wherever you go, this kind of curriculum or this kind of technology, nobody is going to be teaching. Even IITs, NIITs also, they are actually charging like 3 lakh. But Mohan's strategy is different. We want to serve the people education free of cost. So right now, this particular course festival offer, we are going to be giving you free of cost. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If you have any queries and the things, you can comment in the comment box, or you can contact Mohansh Technologies. We will get back to you. And one more thing, guys, you people are listening the video and some other people are not listening the video. For example, you share this video with your friends and you pass this information with your friends or colleagues, whatever it may be. Why? Because of this is the valuable information. 100 crores value information. Why? Because of if 1,000 people are going to be joining, yeah, it means 100 crores, right? So that's why I'm telling to you, please like the video, share your friends, and subscribe the channel if anybody not subscribed so far. And comments, please give some comments. That comments are valuable. And this is the Mohan's Technologies agenda and standards. This is the YouTube channel. You please subscribe it. Okay, so again we will meet on October 20, day 1 class. Okay. Thank you. See you. Signing off. Bye bye. Have a good day.